The Daily Code Snippet. To link within a web page, you are trying to jump from one section of the page to another section. In order to do this, we give sections unique identifiers, and we do this through the use of attributes. So we should take a step back and discuss the class attribute versus the ID attribute. Both class and ID attributes are used when you wish to target a particular element and you can assign its value. The difference between is that class is used for something that may appear more than once, but ID is used for something that is more unique. Typically, if you have multiple sections on a web page, you would assign a unique ID identifier to each section, such as section 1, 2, section 3, etc. An example of a class attribute may be that you have a different styling for the lead-in text for an article. So you can create a class called lead-in to which you will add a bold weight and a larger font size. Because you may have more than one article, you may have more than one instance of lead-in text, and thus it would be more appropriate to have a class rather than an ID because this special styling is not unique. This code example shows how there are two sections, each with lead-in text. Each section is unique with an ID attribute for section 1 and section 2. The lead-in text appears more than once and is assigned a class attribute. Presented by Designers Learn Code.